Hi, this is Glenn Andrade from Digital Synergy, and today I'm going to talk to you about GroovePages pricing and lifetime access pricing options. Also, I'm going to tell you about my free bonus, which is a 24-hour ranking system that helps you get to the top of Google and YouTube in 24 hours. All right, so let's get into the GroovePages pricing. As you can see from this graphic, there are actually three plans that you see here, but there are actually two more additional options, which are lifetime access options, and I'm going to get a little bit more into detail in just a moment. For first, let's talk about these first initial options that we have. So first we have the base plan, and this is free. So you actually get GroovePages, which is a GroovePages Lite, which is a funnel builder and web page builder. And it's a light version of the software. It has full functionality. The only restriction is that you actually get 3 custom domains that you can use it for, and that's the restrictions. Now, this is free for life, though. You don't need any credit card. You don't need anything like that. You also get GrooveSell and Groove Affiliate, which basically GrooveSell allows you to if you have any products that you want to sell, digital products, you can set those up, and also Groove Affiliate if you want to have an affiliate program. Now, with the silver, and so those are free. So with the silver plan, you get all of those same things, same items, except you also get what's coming. Now remember, right now, Groove Pages is in beta right now. They're in a beta phase. They're going to come out of it real soon. So that's why you need to take advantage of what they have going on with the deals for pricing. So very soon, they're going to have Groove Mail, Groove Member, and Groove Video, along with all these other features that go along with it. So, all right, so it's going to have Groove Mail, which is basically an autoresponder email marketing platform, very similar to Active Campaign or Infusionsoft. So you're going to have all those features basically built in to your plan. Now, this plan with all these features comes to you, will be coming when they get out of beta, will be $99 per month. And then if you want to go for gold to get even more than that, you're also going to get all of these features, plus you're going to get Groove Blog, Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, Groove Survey, and Groove Quiz. So with this as I mentioned, GroovePages is more than just a funnel builder. It is also a web page builder. So if you want to add on a blog, you'll have blog functionality. Groove Desk is like a help desk that's built into the system as well. So everything's integrated. It's an all-in-one program and system. And you'll have Groove Calendar, which will allow you to set appointments with clients or anything like that. Now, Groove Survey and Groove Quiz is going to let you to create surveys and quiz within a funnel that you're building. So that's going to be available at $199 per month. Now, both of these programs, all of these programs, including the free, actually, you'll be able to promote the program and you'll get 20% affiliate commissions. Now, you see these other items here: Groove Webinar, Groove Webinar Live, Automated, and actually they have a typo here, but it should be Groove Cart is also going to be available, but at additional costs outside of this $199. All right, so that's the pricing that's going to be very soon out of beta. This isn't available right now. What you can get right now is this free version, or you have these other two options that's going to basically allow you. The first option for lifetime is that you can upgrade your basic light version of GroovePages, and it's an upgrade. So you're going to have unlimited pages, unlimited websites, unlimited funnels, unlimited bandwidth, basically the whole enchilada here for GroovePages, everything that's GroovePages, and that's the funnel builder and page builder. So you'll have all of that, and you can upgrade for a lifetime, and the price for that is a one-time fee of $497. Okay, so that is the first lifetime option that you have. Now, the next option that you have is basically what they call their platinum option. Okay, and that includes everything in this in this in these column right here. Okay, so you're going to get everything, including all of these items here that you would normally have to pay additional cost to. You're going to get that included for the lifetime pricing that they give. So when you do that, you own it for life. You pay one time. There's no ongoing costs. You're going to get all the Groove funnel products that they have now. You're going to get all future products, and these are the ones that I mentioned earlier. Also, it's going to allow you to become an affiliate, and instead of 20%, you're going to get 40%. You'll also get a second tier at 10%. And by the way, even if you don't upgrade and you promote their product with any of the other plans, you still will get the second tier, but it'll be at a 5% option. So let me show you what is available right now as I'm filming this video right now for you. Okay, now this is going away very, very soon. It might be within a week or so, or even less. So right now, you can pick this up and pay nothing right now and just 3 additional payments after 14 days. So nothing now. In 14 days, you'll be billed $497 3 times. Okay. The other thing you can do is 12 easy payments. So you can pay $188 for the next 12 months. Okay. So 12 payments. You can also do 6 payments at $288. Okay. And right now, the best deal that you can possibly get is for everything in the all-in-one platform suite, lifetime for just $13.97. Now, this is, as I said, this is the pricing right now. This is going up. As I said, it could be a week, it could be a couple of days. They just announced it yesterday. Not sure, they didn't say exactly when, but this is the new pricing that they're going to be coming out with. So I would really advise you to take advantage of this if this is something that you think you need for your business. You'll never have to pay any additional money after this one-time fee or any of these payments, because so the new pricing that you're going to have the option for the lifetime access will be, now it's going to go up to 4 easy payments. So instead of 3 months, instead of 3 months, you'll have 4 additional payments of $497. Then you're going to get 14 payments of $188 and 8 payments of $288. So it's going up by $500. And then the best deal once it goes up is going to be to pay the $18.97 one time, and that'll get you everything. That's changing really quick, so I would jump on this as soon as I can. Even if you just jump into the free version, who knows how long they're going to make this available, but at least you'll be in and you can upgrade at any point. All right, so now let me talk to you about, if you do decide to sign up for free, you can do that below in the link below. Basically, I'm going to give you a free bonus, which is basically a course that Paul Murphy, who's an internet superstar, has put together, and he shows you how he gets top rankings in Google and YouTube in 24 hours. It's a 24-hour ranking system. So I just wanted to show you evidence of this. I just put this video up. Basically, it's about the GrooveFunnels affiliate program. Okay, and as you can see, this is me here 23 hours ago. This is actually Paul Murphy. So I even beat Paul in his own system, and he's happy. He's happy for that. You know, he wants us to learn. He wants you to succeed. So he has a course. I'll give you free training, as well as a webinar with him and Mike Filsaime, who is the creator of GrooveFunnels, who talks about his system. And then, so this is just what they call the Google carousel. Okay, so you can get on the front page here, and then if you do the same search here, Groove Affiliates, why it's a better affiliate program than ClickFunnels. I'm number 1 here under videos. So again, this just to show you, this is their regular search. Okay, there's nothing above me. I'm right there. Okay, then if you go to videos, okay, I'm right there as well. And of course, I'm showing up in YouTube for the same key phrase, number 1, again, ahead of Paul and everybody else. So I just wanted to show you real quick that this does work. 22 hours ago, where is it? 23 hours ago. Let me refresh the page just so you know. Again, refresh the page. 23 hours. And actually, I checked this like right after I had uploaded it. I waited about, I did the process waited about 10 minutes and I checked the listing and it was already ranking. So it actually, you'll get rankings even quicker than that. So go ahead, click the link below, get access to that bonus. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out and I appreciate it. Like, comment below, and make sure when you subscribe you hit the notify bell so that you will be notified of my upcoming videos, which I put out regularly, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.